Hello friends, get ready to meet legends of investing and uncover their genius strategies. In this video, we will dive into the fascinating world of famous investors and their strategies. Let's start with Warren Buffett. He is financial wizard known for his patience. Warren Buffett's secret sauce is value investing, funding undervalued stock like hidden gems. Now meet Peter Lynch, a stock market superhero with a knack for everyday observation. Lynch mantra: invest in what you know, trust your instincts and make smart choice. There is John Templeton, a global explorer in stock market universe. Templeton strategy: look for opportunities when others fear and diversify across country. Remember, every investor has their own unique strategy and learning is the secret sauce of success. Ready to unlock the world of investing? Let's journey together. Follow us for more stock market insights and savvy strategies.